Hi, I'm Dexter, CEO and one of the co-founders of KASA. We're a real-time visualization studio that creates unbelievable virtual spaces for headsets, computers, mobile devices and the web. And we're thrilled to announce the up-and-coming launch of KASA Plan, our VR platform for local councils that will revolutionise urban design and planning, as well as community and stakeholder engagement. Built in partnership with Victoria's Moreland City Council, the toolkit in KASA Plan makes for the perfect base to build upon for future developments, features and improvements. Now, virtualising a council is no walk in the park. It requires some detailed aerials, a bunch of 3D models and a super robust platform that's easy to use. But once a council is virtualised, that's when you see its true potential.